Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Turtle Renko trading strategy. Alright, so the Turtle Renko trading strategy combines two concepts. The two concepts are trend following principles and Renko chart analysis. Alright, so the trend following concept is inspired by the famous trading experiment led by Richard Dennis and William Eckhart, where traders were trained to follow systematic trend strategies. Okay, so now Renko charts are a charting method. Let me just quickly check for my Renko chart custom indicator, right? Okay, so Renko charts are a charting method that focuses on price movement rather than time, right? So instead of forming candles based on time intervals, Renko charts create blocks only when price moves a certain distance. So now by filtering out smaller price fluctuations, Renko charts can make trends easier to see visually. Traders who combine these ideas often observe when Renko bricks form consistent directional patterns, which may suggest sustained momentum in a trend. So now trend following approaches generally focus on identifying strong directional movement and remaining aligned with that movement until signs of change appear. The purpose of combining these concepts is to study market trends while reducing some of the noise that appears on traditional time-based charts. Okay? So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.